Hi, I'm Ariel. This is Guy. We are from treshold.
Hello, we are Thousand Realities.
Hi, I'm Mark from Slavic Monsters.
Hi, I'm Alexander Kanin from Vision Labs.
Hello, I'm Alex, product owner at XNet.
Hi, I'm Dennis from HoloLight.
Hi, we are Jan VR from the Netherlands.
So this was basically 2 days of full-time experiencing low latency startups, startups being at the edge of the technology right now, doing really cool stuff. So we as Telekom, as Hubraum, are very much looking forward to great prototypes and are really looking forward to these great teams. Lots of energy and happy to be here, happy to be part of this kind of program and really looking forward to those results at the end. Yeah.